Welcome back and Happy New Year to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple title animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's go straight to the video. First, select Composition, select New Composition, give the height and width you decide, and set background color to black and click on OK. Select Layer, click on New Layer, click on New Shape Layer. Select the pen tool and draw a horizontal line. Press and hold Shift to make it a straight line. Select the desired stroke width and select Fill as None and press OK. Go to Window and select Align. Align the shape both horizontally and vertically central. Go to Layer, select New Layer, select Text Layer. Change the text to whatever you need. Now select the text and align it centrally. Go to the text tab and go to transform and change the position of the text just above the line. You can change the font here and the color next to it. You can select the desired color. Select the text layer and go to Edit and select Duplicate. Change the second text as you desired. Align it both horizontally and vertically center. And adjust its position in transform just below the line. And select a color from text color and press on OK. Next, I'm going to give animation to the text. For that, we need a solid layer and create a mask. First, go to Layer, select New and select Solid Layer. Give background color to black and press on OK. Right click on the new black solid layer and select Mask, New Mask. Zoom out and make sure your cursor is set to Selection tool. Click and drag it upwards so that the first text gets hidden under the mask. Adjust it properly. Click and drag the shape layer to the first place so that it does not hide under. Make sure the black solid layer is just above the first text layer. Click and drag to change its position. Right click at the top in Layers panel, select Columns and make sure Modes column is on. Select the text layer, go to Track Matte and change it to Alpha Matte. Next, I'm going to give the text an animation. So, zoom in the slide bar and move the slider a few seconds forward. Set the current position of the text as a key by clicking on the stopwatch button next to position. Now the key is set at the current slider position. Move the slider to the beginning of timeline to set the new key. Adjust the position of the text so that the text just hides under the mask. Now you can see the text appears from below. Now give the same animation to the second text also. For that, select the black solid one and go to Edit and select Duplicate. Change its position just above the second text. Go to the track matte of second text and change it to alpha inverted matte. Make sure the slider is in line with the end key. Next, select the second text and open its settings. Give a key for the current position and move the slider a little bit backwards from where you need to start the second text. You can place the slider anywhere you like. Adjust the position of second text just above the line so that it is completely hidden. Now you can see both the text appears from the line. Now I'm going to give animation to the line. For that, select any black solid, go to Edit and select Duplicate. Now click and drag the new black solid just above the shape layer. With the help of selection tool, adjust the mask as shown here so that the line is inside the rectangle. Move the slider in the timeline where you want to end the line animation. Give a key for position. Move the slider to the beginning of the timeline and make the position horizontally sideways so that the line is completely hidden. Change the track matte of shape layer to alpha matte. For giving a smoothness to the text entry animation, select all the key points in the timeline and right click on it, select keyframe assistant and select easy ease. Similarly, do it for all the other keyframes in text 1 and text 2. That's it. Now the video is ready to be rendered. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.